Hi friends, my name is Vivek Emgar from class 8. I will introduce you 4th chapter of computer. This chapter is very interesting. The chapter name is using charts in MS Excel. We will discuss about different charts. Components of chart. Chart area. The chart area is an area where the chart is placed along with all other components. Chart title. The chart title is a caption or headline given to a chart. Grid lines. Grid lines are the lines covering the plot area in the chart. Category name. The caption given to describe the data on the x-axis and y-axis is called category name. Value axis. The y-axis is called value axis. It is a horizontal line. Category axis. The x-axis is called category axis. It's a horizontal line. Data series. A group of data that is plotted on the chart in the form of bars, slices or other elements to represent data is called data series. Legend. A legend represents colors, patterns or symbols in a chart to differentiate one data category from another. Plot area. The plot area is the actual area in the chart window. It contains grid lines, category axis, value axis, data series, category name and legend. Column chart. In column charts, categories are placed on the x-axis and values are placed on y-axis. The data series show in rectangular bars. These type of charts are called column charts. Second is line chart. The line chart displays data in the form of lines and an equal interval. Categories are placed on the x-axis and values are placed on the y-axis. This type of charts are called line charts. Third is pie chart. The pie chart represents data in the form of pie or circle. It divides the value into pieces or segments. This type of charts are called pie charts. Bar chart. The bar chart is used to compare two different values of data. It represents data in similar way as a column chart. Fifth is area chart. Area chart is filled with color or pattern. It appears similar to line chart. It shows a solid area below the line. These charts are called area chart. And last is scatter chart. The scatter chart is called the X and Y chart. It is used to compare a large number of data. Numbers are displayed on the both axis, x-axis and y-axis. This type of charts are called scatter chart. Select the inserted data. Click on Insert Group. From the Tables group, click the Table option. From the Table dialog box appear, click the cell range where you want. The table gets inserted in the document. Select the table. Click on Insert Group. From the Insert tab, click on Column drop-down list. From the drop-down list, click 3D column. The 3D column gets inserted in the document. Click on Insert Group. From the Insert Group, click the Pie Chart option. From the pie chart, click 3D pie chart. Click the 3D pie chart. The pie chart gets inserted in the document. The Charts tool ribbon, click the Design option. From the charts layout, click one layout which you want. Click OK. The chart gets inserted in the document.